Sometimes, something very, very small sets something much, much larger into motion. It all started when designer Carl Öjestam got a brief to make a lamp with a great design at an impossibly low price.
Me and a colleague decided to meet at the local pub. We came up with an idea and we scribbled it all down on a cocktail napkin.
The team deconstructed the lamp down to its smallest components. The lampshade is used as packaging to hold the pieces in place, and the stand is divided into two curved plastic funnels that meet in the middle to add strength to the base. The result of this endeavor was LAMPAN, an IKEA bestseller.
I am really proud to have been a part of LAMPAN. It's a perfect example of reducing something to a minimum of components to find the perfect form.
A small idea grew into a big success. Now that's what we call an example of a bright, shining classic.